Walking at three-fourths of his usual speed, a man is 16 minutes late for his office. The usual time taken by him to cover that distance is. Now, we can say that the ratio of speeds of his usual speed and his today's speed, let's say, is 4 is to 3. Therefore, for the constant distance, the ratio of their corresponding times will be reverse, that is 3 is to 4. Now, it is given that a man is 16 minutes late for his office. Now, if we assume his original time as 3x and today's time as 4x, we can get 4x minus 3x is equal to 16 minutes because the man is late for the office by 16 minutes. So that's how we get x is equal to 16 minutes. Now we want to find out the usual time or the original time. So original time we have assumed it to be 3x. So therefore it will become 16 into 3. That is 48 minutes. So that will be our answer, option C.